Hey guys, this is Brad with Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we're going to look at our DIY steering column bracket. Okay guys, so let's take a look at our steering column mount here. So as you can see, we got several different holes where you can put your heim joint in to support your steering column. Here you can weld it across the tube going between your A-pillars. So here's how this is kind of designed to work. You're going to weld it to your tube in here. Okay, so we've got a 3/4 heim installed here. I just used a jam nut on the top and the bottom. You can locate in whichever slotted hole fits your project. So you're going to have your welded on the tube here. Your steering shaft will come maybe from your orbital or your steering gearbox through the firewall. You know, you can pass through this heim joint. You know, here you're probably going to have your steering wheel disconnect and your steering wheel. So this bracket is going to support your steering shaft and give it a lot of rigidity. Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.